Hi everyone, Tim Brown. This topic, we're going to add video to our iMovie project. As you can see here, I have a blank project set up. I'm going to go ahead and import this video into my project by doing the same thing I did when I selected the photos. I'm going to select the plus symbol, let that drop right into the timeline like so. What you're going to notice, there are going to be some similar things that you can do with photos, but you're going to notice something different about video. So when you select the video track, you can see here you have a bunch of options along the bottom. Yes, you can add filters. Yes, you can add text. But there is an audio option. Obviously, audio does not come inside photos, right? So that's what's unique about video. So when you have that video track selected on your timeline, you'll see you have some options here. You can adjust the volume level. You can increase the volume level or decrease it. You can also adjust the speed of the video as well. If you wanted to go faster or slower, you have that option. So you select the speed option, and you can see here you can use the slider to make it go faster or use the slider to make it go slower. You can also use this option to add a freeze frame. So you see that little area that's highlighted in yellow, that section will actually be frozen. So as the track plays, when it gets to that part, it'll freeze. So you could have a purpose for doing something like that. You can also just simply add an audio track. When you select add, you'll see that you now have two audio tracks even though they're the same video clip. That means that you can make adjustments to the audio separately from the video. In this case, what you would be doing is adjusting the speed to this track. So if you wanted this track to be faster and the other track to be normal or slower, you have that option. So if I was to play this back, all of a sudden the other track will start to speed up. Now there may be a reason for doing that. Obviously, you can be very creative in how you choose to work with your video clips. But let's go ahead and undo that and explore some other options. So when you go over to the far left, you'll see that there's a scissor icon. The scissor icon allows you to split a clip. And you can do that by just simply selecting split on the menu there. Now another really nice option that you can do for splitting a clip is that you can use your finger as a blade. Your finger can actually splice the clip in half as well. Just take your finger like this and swipe down over the clip. And you'll see that that will also cause the clip to split as well. Pretty fun feature. You can also detach audio. So if you want to have the audio as a separate track, just select that option. And finally, you can also duplicate a video clip the same way you can duplicate a photo. Now there's one more thing I want to show you about video clips. So with the video clip selected, you can also choose to zoom into the video. If you look in the top right corner, you'll see that there is a magnifying glass. If you select that, you'll see a menu pops out and it says pinch to zoom. Now you can actually pinch to zoom and get a more detailed view of your video. So that's a nice option to have. Deselect it, and now you have a different view of your video. So those are some of the cool things you can do with video files that are a little different than photos.